Hi, this is Rocker Troubleshooter. We give you instant solutions when you have troubles with Rocker's products. When you notice the vacuum value is showing oddly, please troubleshoot with checkpoints below. Check if the pump and device are correctly connected with tubes. And check if the remote connection icon is gray. If yes, that means the controller connection had failed and needs to be rebuilt. First, make sure the power of main station is connected. Put the controller back to the station. Enter the setting page and press Start to search. The connection should be rebuilt right away. If not, please turn the controller off. Remove the battery from its back. Reinstall and restart the controller. When the connection icon turns blue, it's good to go. If not, enter the setting page. And reset the controller to factory settings.